Hello friends, welcome to all. Kumari here. Today I am coming with an idea how to teach number name 1 to 100 step by step process. We have to make the cards like this with the correct spelling and the number. Number name cards 1 to 10. The first set is number name cards 1 to 10. First, group reading. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SCVEN 7, EIGST 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. First, group reading followed by single reading, and while single reading loudly, the child has to touch the number 1, means the child is touching the number 1. Like that, loud reading. Again, spot the number 8, 10, 7, like that, spot the number. After that, give all the cards and ask the child to arrange the cards. Once arrangement also done, very comfortable, ask the child to read the number name again one more time. After that, the parent or the teacher will be writing the number name. Child is reading. Once the child is ready, child will say, now I know I can write. Okay, the happy child ready to write, ask the child to write. Writing also very slowly introduce ONE 1. Take 1 or 2 days to learn. Once the spelling of 1 is very clear, move to the second number and so on. Once 1 to 10, the number name very thorough, then you can move to the second set of cards. The second set of cards start with 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Here also you have to continue all the step-by-step process. That is group reading, single reading, followed by spot 18, 15. Like that, spot the number. Then the teacher or the parent will be writing the number name. The child will be reading. And after that, give full set of cards and ask the child to arrange the number name. Again, the child will be reading, loud reading, and while reading also, the child has to touch the number 11. Again, once the child is ready to write, ask the child to write one number daily. Like that, practice makes perfection. Once 11 to 20 number names are ready, then you can take the third set of cards. Here the numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Once the third set of card is done, now, very comfortable, child will be able to write. If you are giving the number 23, the child will be able to write 23. If the number you are giving 51, child will be able to write 51. And tell the child, if I am making a spelling mistake in your name, you will be unhappy. Like that, if you are making the number name spelling wrong, numbers will be unhappy with us. So we have to be very careful while writing the number name. Enjoy learning number name. Coming soon with another idea. If you like my video, like and share. Subscribe to get further notifications. Thank you.